From papercraft to a wooden rubber band gun, school projects, designing and making them a reality, or even a papier-mâché swimming pool. I'm Juan and here's what I make. For my extended essay, I designed and 3D printed Fibonacci spiral gears. I researched the effect on torque of different rates of change of radii. I made a robot which, depending on the order of colors provided, would make different spinners as well as spinning them. Frame, button lights, stand, podium, case. I also made a rotating display with a modded controller. Now, it's a display for anything really. In the Singapore Space Challenge, I learned to and designed some drones. They would potentially cultivate land. I also took over a friend's go-kart project. With scrap parts and lead-acid batteries, a go-kart was ready to race. For a friend's extended essay, I crafted a golf club swinger to measure the effect of dimples on golf balls. I designed a huge obstacle course, which included a counterweight-operated door, which later became a second floor, a lift to a lower floor, as well as multiple different types of ramps or similar things. Tetris-like boxes to complete the path, and weights to be the counterbalance for another platform, an automatic zip line, a hanging bridge, and a shocking ending. Being too big to store, only this remains. Hence, I made the next easily storable. It only takes about 15 minutes, and the arena is ready for battle, with lights which can move freely in all directions. A middle splitter or a bumper and scorecards can also be added for different games. And lastly, come the robots. Time to hit some Lego minifigures. Careful not to overdo it, though. Turn it on and switch off the lights. I also made an infinity mirror. Look at it from the side for the most mind-blowing effect. And lastly, the still in progress water vortex. With a bucket, some wood and pump, make the water spin and enjoy the effect. Thank you for watching my portfolio. I hope you enjoyed.